Ganyan din mga pamangkin ko sa USA kapag magsalita sila. Kasi ilok ron. Ay, sige na po. Naka 67 minutes na. Okay. Okay, sige na. Okay, Daddy will say goodbye na. Then we can go to the kitchen, okay?
Okay, I want to say goodbye.
You want to take a bite of what?
Bye.
Oh, you want to say bye?
I love you.
Bye, I love you. Ay, bye, I love you na daw, guys. Oh, may heart ka, baby, oh. See? You have heart.
Hi.
Yeah. Tita LG give you heart.
Yes!
Yes, thank you. Maraming salamat po.
Salamat po.
Tita LJ.
Tita LJ.
Okay. Ayan guys, masama talaga pakiramdam ko. Magti-thank you na ako sa inyong lahat guys ha. Maraming salamat po sa ano. I will just take the opportunity to say thank you to everyone. Para may highlights po ako. I-post ko po sa highlights to. Last 5 minutes po natin. So, thank you so much po kay Mami Cha Mix Vlog. Mega love shout out po Mami Cha Mix Vlog. Thank you so much po for coming. Ikaw yung naunang pumunta sa live ko ngayon. And then si Sir Kidar Vlog from Dubai. Our friend from Dubai, Kidar Vlog. Mega love shout out to you, Kidar Vlog. Thank you so much for coming. And also Sis Anix Vlog. Thank you so much, Sis Anix Vlog. Mega love shout out. Thank you so much for coming sa live na ngayon. And also kay Sir Derry Earl. Mega love shout out, Sir Derry Earl. Sir Derry Earl TV. Mega love shout out. Thank you so much for coming, Sir Derry Earl. And also Abby the Explorer. Mega love shout out, Abby the Explorer. Thank you so much for coming, Ma'am Abby the Explorer. Mega love shout out po sa iyo. Thank you so much. And also kay Sir Darius TV. Sir Darius TV, mega love shout out po sa iyo, Sir Darius. Thank you so much po, Sir Darius TV, for coming. And also sorry. Sakit yung lalamon. Sir, and also Flames Fan 17. Mega love shout out, Flames Fan 17. Thank you so much for coming. Mega love shout out to you, Flames Fan 17. And also who else? There's one from Kazakhstan, Daulet. Mega love shout out, Daulet. Our friend from Kazakhstan. Mega love shout out also LJ Diary. Adding LJ Diary, mega love shout out. Thank you so much for coming, Adding LJ. Thank you. Mega love shout out to you, Adding LJ Diaries. And then Ma'am Rose Brill, Bernalis Vlog. Mega love shout out, Ma'am Rose Brill, Bernalis Vlog. Thank you so much, Ma'am Rose Brill, for coming. Mega love shout out po. Thank you so much. And then kay sino pa? Wala na yung ilong ko. Ma'am Rosette Aurelio. Mega love shout out, Ma'am Rosette Aurelio. Thank you so much for coming, Ma'am Rosette Aurelio. Mega love shout out po, Ma'am Rosette. And also kay Nanay Monty House. Mega love shout out, Nanay Monty House. Thank you so much for coming, Nay. Mega love shout out po. Thank you so much. And also Steve and Tina Jewel. Mega love shout out, Steve and Tina Jewel. Thank you so much po. Mega love shout out. And also sino pa? Wala na. Yan, wala na. So, take care guys. Ingat po kayo palagi. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Ingat po tayo palagi. God bless po. Thank you so much po. Bye-bye. Sir Derry Earl, naka-play yung playlist, Sir Derry Earl. Thank you so much. Adding LJ, thank you. Ma'am Rosette, thank you so much po. Nanay Munti, thank you. Bye-bye. Good night po.